If you want to use Quick Share to transfer files on OPPO Find X9, what you can do is you can, for example, go to the File Manager, the Files app, and over here at the bottom you should be able to find this Quick Share button. You can just quickly tap over here in order to choose Send, and then you can select files that you want to send. So we can go over here and then choose whatever you want to send. Over here we can tap on these three dots, on these three lines in the upper left corner in order to, for example, switch to different categories and so on and so forth. Besides that, you can also go, let's say, to one of these categories. So let's say I'm gonna go to images, and I can, let's say, select multiple files that I want to transfer by using Quick Share. So I'm gonna tap on this share button in the upper right corner, and then over here we have Quick Share. So you can select files like this as well. And then, of course, we are looking for nearby devices. We can also generate a QR code if needed. Make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled, and make sure that the other device's visibility is also enabled in Quick Share settings. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.